MovingAveragesStrategy.com.
Hi, this is Daniel Grady with Binary Options Strategy, and I'm going to show you a trading strategy using MACD and moving averages. So the setup we have here is a 100 SMI here in yellow, which gives us the long-term trend, and we have a 50 SMI here in red, which gives us the short-term trend. What we're looking for is to have both these trends going in the same direction, and also to have the short-term trend inside the long-term trend. In other words, in this case, as you can see, the trend is going down. We want the short-term trend to also be underneath it. The second part of the setup is the MACD, which we have down here at the bottom. Now we're using two MACDs. The first is the traditional oscillator, which is here in red, and the second is the histogram, which is here in blue. Now practically speaking, the only difference between them is that the histogram tends to be more sensitive to the market. So once we have established the overall trend, what we're looking for is a divergency between these two indicators. The best way to identify that is when the blue line crosses underneath the red line. In other words, when the histogram crosses through the oscillator. Now I picked this particular asset because we have an ideal situation here with an overall trend going down, but confirmed by both the long term and the short term. And if you can notice here, the histogram has crossed under the oscillator. This tells us that the market is most likely going to continue its downward trend, and this would be an excellent time to buy a put, because we can be pretty sure that the market will go down. Now through the magic of video editing, we're here 30 minutes later. This is the point where we bought the put, expecting the market to go down, and as a matter of fact the market did. There was a brief correction here for about 5 minutes, and then it continued down the trend. Depending on the expiry time of your options, you can buy several options and take advantage of the trend. What you need to look out for is when this divergency happens again in the opposite direction, showing you that the trend is about to be over. So that's the basics of how this MACD strategy works. Thanks for watching and happy trading.